Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and you're doing your work very perfectly without any difficulty at home. Today is your English period and today we are going to start a new sound words, the sound U, sound of U. Okay. We have done the words of sound A, E, I, O. Now we are going to do the fifth vowel sound U. Sound U. And for the phonetic sound of U is A. Like U says A umbrella, A uncle, A okay. The phonetic sound of U is A. Now look at this word. These are the two-letter words of sound U, and these are the related sound U words, three-letter words. First one is UB, but we will read it through its phonetic sound. So phonetic sound of U is A and phonetic sound of B is B. Then A, B. This is A, B, ab. This is A, N, un. This is A, T, at. A, G, ug. Now we will read the sound words related to ab. Ab, up. Read it. T, ab, tub. R, ab, rub. K, ab, cub. H, ab, hub. D, ab, dub. Now un words. B, n, bun. F, n, fun. R, n, run. S, n, sun. G, n, gun. Now at words. A, t, at. This is k, a, t, cut. H, a, t, hut. B, a, t, but. N, a, t, nut. R, a, t, rut. Now a, g, ug words. B, a, g, bug. R, a, g, rug. J, a, g, jug. H, a, g, hug. M, a, g, mug. And read it properly. First of all, you will read it, then you will write these words in your notebook and learn the sounds. A, b, a, n, a, t, a, g. Learn these words also. Okay. And one more thing. You will read it like this. T, a, b, tub. Don't read it t, a, b, tub. R, a, b, rub. K, a, b, cub. No. Don't give stress on the last word. T, a, b, tub. R, a, b, rub. K, a, b, cub. Okay? Like this. B, n, bun. Not bun. It's b, n, bun. F, n, fun. Okay? Read it properly. Be sure about pronunciation. Okay? Improve your pronunciation. T, a, b, tub. B, n, bun. K, a, t, cut. B, a, g, bug. Okay? Improve your pronunciation and you have to write it in your notebook. After writing it, you will do one more topic related to this sound U words. This is look at the picture and write appropriate word. Look here, ma'am has made some pictures related to sound U. Okay? And you will write the name of these pictures here. And I am doing 4. These 4 I am doing, and rest of the pictures you will do it yourself. First one is, recognize this picture. This is bug. So you will write here bug. So you will write here bug. B, a, g, bug. Next picture is sun. So you will write here S, A, N, sun. Next picture is hut. This is hut. Okay, you will write it like this. H, A, T, hut. And next picture is tub. So write here T A B tub. Okay, this is bug, sun, hut, tub. And the next pictures are, this is jug. So you will write here jug. This one is rug. This one is bud. This is not flower. This is bud. Okay. This is cup, bus, and this one is the upper part. This one is bun. Okay. This one is bun. So you will write these words yourself, and I have written these words. First of all, you will do this work. Sound U words. You will write it properly. Look here. You have to improve your formation also. Okay. And after that you will do these works. After this is your English book Step Up English Primer, and after this you will read this page related to sound U. Okay, you will read this page related to sound U. Whenever you will get this work, first of all you will write date on it, and then you will read these words. And this is page number 13 of your book. I am reading it. Listen it carefully. Sa, na, sun, U. This is U, sound of vowel U. Vowel U. The phonetic sound of U is A. Okay. You will write here A. Phonetic sound of U is A. So read it like this. Sa, na, sun. B, na, bun. Na, ta, nut. J, ga, jug. K, p, cup. D, ck. Ck means k. D, ka, duck. G, na, gun. M, ga, mug. Like this, you will read these words also. T, b, tub. H, b, hub. K, b, cub. R, b, rub. D, b, dub. S, b, sub. B, t, but. K, t, cut. H, t, hut. G, t, gut. N, t, nut. Sh means sh. Sh means sh. Sh, t, shut. Like this, these are the some more words of sound U, and you will read these words also. Okay, you will read the whole page. I am reading again. I am reading these words also. M, ga, mug. D, ga, dug. H, ga, hug. R, ga, rug. T, ga, tug. S, na, sun. R, na, run. B, na, bun. F, na, fun. G, na, gun. P, p, pup. G, r, b. This is r, b, rub. But we will also speak the sound of G. Phonetic sound of G is G. G, r, b, rub. Grub. Sy, r, p, syrup. This is r, p, rub, and Sy means C. Syrup. Syrup. D-U-C-K. D-U, D, C-K, K, D, K, duck. Like this, L, K, luck. S, K, suck. Okay, kids. First of all, you will do the written work. Then you will do this reading work. Reading work is must. This is must for your perfection of reading. Okay, perfection in reading. So kids, you have to read this page also. Okay kids, bye. Stay home, stay safe. Do your work very neatly and very attentively. Bye.